Here is a passive income idea to help you make $900 or more per day selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself. My name is Dan, and I'm from Michigan, and I help people start an online business with digital marketing. So back in 2021, I was stressed out, I was frustrated, I was overwhelmed because the company that I was working for, they decided to cut our pay in half and they only gave us a 3 week notice. Okay. And that's when I went online, long story short, and I discovered this 6 figure blueprint. And it shows you step by step how to earn $900 or more a day just selling digital products so you don't have to create. And not only that, but you're going to learn a lot of cool stuff. You're going to learn how to make money in your sleep. You're going to learn how to build your email list, and you're also going to learn how to promote multiple offers inside of your email list so you can build recurring income as well. But on the front end, you can earn up to $900 or more a day just by promoting this done for you program. Okay, so I'm going to break it down how it works. I'm going to be quick because time is valuable. So I'm just going to show you exactly what you got to do to be successful with this. Okay, and how it works. I'm just going to break down how it works, and then I'm going to share I'm going to share some results inside of the community, the results that people are having by following this blueprint. Okay, and how you can do this too, because you can do this. All you got to do is get started, okay? Set up your automated system so you can receive your payments and then to start promoting your business using social media. We teach you how. We have training for everything. Everything's step by step. Okay. So step number one, guys, if you want to have $900 days, you have to understand, business 101. How do businesses make money? Businesses make money by selling products, services, or opportunities. So this is an opportunity, right? This is an opportunity for you to make more money online. Okay. So that's how businesses make money. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is just selling, promoting products, services, or opportunities. Okay, that's what it is. That's all it is, guys. As long as we have the internet, digital marketing is going to exist. It's like it's $1 million a day industry. It's projected to be $1 billion a day industry. Like, there's a lot of money to be made. It's projected to be like a trillion, like $1 trillion industry soon. Okay, according to Forbes. Right? There's a lot of money to be made in digital marketing, but you got to learn how to do it, right? You got to learn the skills. So step one, you want to promote a product. We give you 4 different digital programs. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, and 900 over and over again just by reselling these programs. So not only can you learn from them, but you can resell them and you earn 100% profit paid directly to you. And it's super beginner friendly. That's what I love about this. You don't have to create anything because everything is already created for you. You just got to set it up. Okay. Step number two, you just got to set up your automated business so you can make money while you're sleeping. Right? We give you a pre-built automated business. You don't need any tech skills to set it up. You just got to watch some videos and you just copy and paste your information inside of the system. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Okay. So like if someone goes to my website, Seven Figure Monk, it's going to take them here. This is called the capture page. So you're capturing emails, you're building your email list, right? And then once they're inside of your email list, they can buy from you at any time. Okay. So they're going to watch a video. The video is going to answer like 99% of their questions. And it's going to send them to the sales page, right? And if they're ready to buy, they're just going to buy from the sales page. If they're not ready to buy, we just send out emails. Okay. So the emails are following up with people, the fortunes and the follow-up, right? So people generally purchase after they've been exposed to something 7 or 10 times. So you just want to keep building your email list because once people are inside, they can literally buy from you at any time. Okay, step number three, you need a way for people to discover your business, right? Okay. So how are people going to discover your business? Like you discovered me, right? Because I just created content. You just got to create 3 pieces of content every single day. And we teach you how to do this. You can do short form content like reels, shorts. You can do long form content like YouTube videos. Okay. So create 3 pieces of content a day. And we teach you how to do this, guys. Okay. You just got to get really good at that. Because if you get really good at content, you're just going to attract people to you. Okay. And then you can go live as well. Like I go live basically every day. See, we have a 2 hour workday. So we teach you how to get your income earning activities finished in just 1 to 2 hours a day. So every day, what I do personally, I just create content that I post to social media. I go live, right? So 30 minutes creating content. Like let's say I go live for an hour. That's an hour and a half, guys. Okay. And then after that, all I do to run my business, I reply to comments because if I'm creating content and people are like asking for me for information, then I got to send them to my website, right? So I reply to comments and I just reply to emails. That's all I do. It takes 1 to 2 hours a day, guys. That's the minimum. Now, if you want to attract more customers, you can just create more content throughout the day. That's all. That's up to you guys. But you also want to go through training. See, this is also important. You got to go through training because the more you learn, the more you earn. We have training inside of our program. We have training inside of our community to help you with your mindset and to help you build your business so you can make as much money as possible, as fast as possible, so you can live your dream life. You can live a life of freedom, right? Like imagine if you start having $900 days, guys. Okay. Imagine if you start making 900 a day. That's $27,000 a month. That's $328,000 a year. That's basically, you can live a life of freedom. You can basically drive whatever you want to drive. You can travel, you can do everything. Okay, so imagine like how would you feel? You'd just be so much more comfortable, right? So much more peaceful. You'd be able to do anything. You'd be able to live your dream life. And all you got to do is just learn these skills because people are making thousands and millions of dollars with digital marketing. So why not you? Why not you? Now let me show you behind the scenes, okay? Let me show you how all of this works. Right, let me just share my screen. Okay. So so guys, this is like people ask me like what are you selling? Okay, what do we promote? What do we have to sell? I don't get it. What do I have to sell? Digital products, guys. So there's these four different digital programs. Now, if you want to get started with this program, there's three things. You got to buy two things, okay? You buy one of the programs and then you pay 29 for your website, right? So there's four different programs, right? You can see there's four different programs there. Right? I'll show you that again later. But like there's four different programs. You just buy one of the programs, which you have the resale rights to. Not only that, guys, but you also get live interactive mentoring. So you're never alone on your journey, okay? So like if you want to get started, guys, you just purchase the 900, right? And there's also payment plans. If you purchase the 900, then you get four income streams. So you can make 100, 300, 600, and 900, okay? If you purchase, or you can purchase the 600, the 300, or the 100, and you can always upgrade later. And like I said, there's payment plans on each level, so it's super affordable. Just start where you want to start. Just start at whichever level is like, is a good fit for you. Like whatever is like based on your goals and your dreams. Start with that one, okay? So, and also like when people go to your website, they're going to buy one of these programs. They're going to buy the 900, they're going to buy the 600, they're going to buy the 300, and that's how you make your money, okay? So this is what the website looks like. So after you purchase your program, guys, it's going to take you here. Okay, this is where the program is hosted. It's hosted inside of Kajabi, right? So basically, like it'll show you all the products. So let's say whichever one you purchased, right? So you get your bonuses. Now our top selling product is a legacy product, okay? So if you go there, you just click on here and you just got to go through and just watch all these videos. It's going to show you how to set up your whole business. It's going to show you how to do everything. It's going to take you from, zero to hero. It's going to show you everything you need to do to make, six figures or seven figures online. So everything's here, guys. All the training, all the knowledge, all the wisdom is here inside of these videos. One of the first things that you want to do, you want to automate your business, right? Okay. We give you a pre-built automated system so you can make money in your sleep. So you basically just watch all these videos and you just copy and paste your information into the system and then you have your automated system set up. If you don't want to set it up yourself, we also have tech done for you services. Okay, you just got to pay them like $100 or something, $150, and they'll set it up for you. Okay, so there's tech done for you services as well. Or you can just set it up yourself. It's up to you. It's your choice. Okay. Yeah. So after you set up your business, guys, your business is going to look like this, right? Here's your first page. This is a capture page. So you're promoting your website. It's going to take people here to the capture page. So you're capturing people's emails, right? This is how you build your email list. And then it's going to take them to the next page, which is a video. So they're going to watch this video, right? This video is going to answer 99% of the questions for them. You can also watch this video. Okay. Then there's another video that we send out inside of their emails. So this video is going to answer more questions, right? And if they like it, if they're ready to buy, they're just going to click on one of the buttons, which will take them back to the website. See, that's how the system works. That's how the funnel works, right? So follow the simple three-step system to start earning daily income. Step one, get started. Step two, learn how to launch a daily paid business. Step three, start earning passive income online. Okay. Then you're going to have your picture. You see, that's my picture. You just put your picture there, and then it's your business, it's your website, it's your brand, okay? And you earn 100% profit, okay? So a step-by-step program to learn how to make $900 passive daily pay by following a 2-hour workday. So this is for you if you're tired of struggling and feeling stuck and frustrated, you want to make extra income from home, you're tired of your job, you're wanting to get out of debt, you want to work from anywhere using your phone or laptop. Imagine what it'd be like to access a proven blueprint that has helped others earn up to 900 a day, which is $328,000 a year. Imagine what it'd be like to be debt-free. Imagine what it'd be like to replace your full-time income with part-time work. Imagine what it'd be like to set your own schedule. Imagine what it would be like to work when you want, where you want. Imagine what it'd be like to spend more time with your family, aiming to reduce financial stress. Okay. So let's just go inside of our community, guys. Let's see the kind of results people are having. So if we go here, this is the wins, right? So let's check out the wins. Let's see. She made her first sale. First sale, $300 she made. Okay. We're doing a 90-day challenge, guys. So we're showing you how to make 30K in the next 90 days. 30K or more, right? Let's see some more. First sale. Okay. Rachel made my first sale, $900. Nice. Let's see. See some more. Average income since I launched in August, her average income is $1,400 per week, guys. $1,400. She says, "This is incredible. If I just kept growing at this rate, and if I didn't increase my skills and knowledge to do more in 2025, she would make over $72,000, guys, in 2025. If she didn't get better, that's what she's saying. If she just maintained that. Let's see. Our first sale, blessed. Okay. $1,100 on the first day of the 90-day run. She made $1,100. Okay. Falake, she made $1,800 in 24 hours, guys. Another $1,800 in 24 hours. Boom. Right. Let's see. Jessica, she made 10K in 4 days, guys. $10,000 in 4 days. Boom. Kelsey, $70,000 in 5 months. Yes. Abundance. Alan, $900 this morning. Yes. Abundance, my friend. Okay, so that's just page one, guys. We have 23,000 pages of wins. The cool thing about this is you can share these testimonials with other people, to promote your business because people like to see testimonials. People will buy from you just by sharing testimonials. Okay, so once you get your business set up, guys, you want to make sure you watch this video. You want to watch all these videos. It's a launch kit for your business, okay? So it's going to show you like winning mindset, the 2-hour workday, what you got to do every day to attract customers. And this is really good. Launch to profit in 7 days. It's going to show you how to launch your business and what to post every day to go and profit in 7 days. Okay. And yeah, and also inside the community, guys, we have this calendar. So it's going to show you the events that we have going on. So we have all these events, right? Like today we have Legacy Builder training, which is millionaire mentoring that we do every Tuesday. So you can jump on these live Zoom calls and you can interact with our millionaire mentor. She'll answer your questions. She'll help you build your business. Then we have another mentoring on Thursday. Then we have a tech call. Like if you need help with your website, help with your automated system, that tech call's there. I never needed help personally, but it's there. Okay. So if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. If you have any questions, just let me know. Yeah, that's the community. And then there's also like, there's a bunch of training in the classroom, guys. Like, right, there's so much training that you just go through gradually. Just do like 10 to 20 minutes a day of training, right? You can also like speed up the videos. That's what I do all the time. Like I'll just speed up the videos, the playback speed, just speed it up. Okay, save yourself some time. But you want to make sure you watch these videos. Like you want to go through this training. Just 10 to 20 minutes a day, guys. It's going to help you with your mindset. It's going to help you build your business so you can attract more customers and make more money. So there's a bunch of training inside of our program. And then there's also training inside of our classroom too. Okay. Like we have this new digital grow ecosystem. I don't know what that is. Digital growth ecosystem. That's a new thing they added. We have our from 0 to 30K, the ultimate 90-day business growth sprint. Okay. You can watch this 90-day. So we're doing this. We're like on day 2 right now, guys. We just started. We have mindset training, the replays. If you missed the live call, if you ever miss the live calls, you can just go here, guys, and watch the replays. Like you can watch the mentoring replays. We have a content vault to help you create content. We have social media training. Okay. We have 6 figures in 6 months training, right? All this training's here, right? Okay. So that's the community. Yeah, that's it, guys. And then all you got to do, like I said, you just got to get your business set up. Once you get your business set up, you just got to post content on social media. Like you can check out my YouTube, you can see the kind of content that I post to attract customers. And if you go to my Facebook, you can see, like I post on multiple platforms, right? I post on TikTok, I post on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. Okay, we have training for like almost all the platforms, guys. Like I just started posting on Pinterest recently. It's interesting. So here's my Facebook, guys. Like, look, I had an $1,800 day. Okay, which is pretty cool. So I just shared that with people. I shared that post, my $1,800 day. That's going to attract people. It's called attraction marketing. Here's me just doing like a motivational, inspirational post. Here's me promoting the 90-day run, how to go from 0 to 30K in 90 days. Okay. Here's me doing, what is this? Like a live. I did a live. Here's me sharing a testimonial. Okay. That's a testimonial post. Here's me doing some faceless content. You can also do faceless, guys. You don't have to show your face. There's a variety of content that you can do. Yeah. Okay. That's it. That's it. That's all, folks. So yeah, if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. That just gives you an example of the kind of content that I create, right? Let me stop my share. Yeah. So if you see an opportunity, guys, just go to my website, 7-Figure Monk. There's a link in the description, 7figuremonk.com. Just go there, put your email in. I'll send you all the details. Okay. If you love it, just get started. If you have any questions, just reply to my emails because I'm going to send you emails basically on a daily basis. I'm going to be sending you out emails. Okay. And now just remember, like if you want to get rich, which you should, you should want to get rich. So if you want to get rich, congratulations, because that's a great desire. So the science of getting rich, guys, you got to have a crystal clear vision. Like, what do you want? Like, how much money do you want? Why do you want that money? Write it down. Get crystal clear with your vision, guys. Think about it time to time throughout the day. Okay. And then you need a business, you need a system, you need a way that money can come to you easily and effortlessly, right? You need a system. Okay. We give you an automated business so money can come to you, right? At any time. And then step three, the science of getting rich. You need to take massive action every day. That's why we have a 2-hour workday. Okay, we teach you how to get your income earning activities finished in just 1 to 2 hours a day. So you just got to get your business set up and you just post content, like 30 minutes a day, post content. You can go live, you can post free ads, whatever you want to do. Just be consistent with it. Okay, you just got to be consistent. Consistency is key. Set a goal for yourself, be consistent, be persistent, you know, create your content, go live if you want to, go through training, reply to comments, reply to emails. That's all you got to do every single day, guys. And you're going to get better because the more you do this, the better you're going to get at it, right? And then you just keep building and building and building until you make as much money as you want. That's just how it is, guys. Okay. So I hope you got some value here. Make sure to like, follow, share this with someone who needs it. And I'll see you on the next one. God bless. Have a great day. God bless.